Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Leave granted. Full stop. As the appellant had been desirous of being appointed as a district and sessions judge under bracket entry level in the AP State Judicial Services, she had been applied for the post in question. Full stop. She had been selected for the post in question and her name was included in the select list at number 16. Full stop. The selection of the appellant had been challenged by some candidates by filing WP number 894 of 2012 in the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on the ground that the appellant had not secured minimum required marks in the interview and she had not attained 35 years of age at the time of the publication of the advertisement and therefore she could not have been selected. Full stop. The aforestated petition was allowed, but it was allowed only on the ground of age limit of the appellant. Full stop. The High Court was of the view that as the requirement of minimum marks had been done away with by virtue of an amendment made to Rule 6 under bracket 4 and under bracket 10 of the AP State Judicial Services Rules, 2007 wide GO/MS number 132, dated 16/11/2011, it was not necessary for the appellant to secure minimum marks in the interview for being eligible for appointment. Full stop. Thus, the appellant was not appointed only for the reason that she had not completed 35 years of age at the time when the advertisement inviting applications for the post in question had been published. Full stop. By virtue of an order passed in CA number 10836 of 2013 arising out of SLP under bracket C number 23171 of 2012, this court has already held that there is no minimum age qualification for being appointed to the post in question and therefore, in our opinion, the appellant could not have been denied appointment to the post in question on the ground that she had not completed 35 years of age at the time when the advertisement had been published. Full stop. For the reasons recorded in CA number 10836 of 2013 arising out of SLP under bracket C number 23171 of 2012, the present appeal is allowed and it is directed that the High Court as well as the respondent state will do the needful for giving appointment to the appellant with retrospective effect, that is from the date on which she ought to have been appointed, however, she shall not be paid salary for the period during which she has not worked as a district and sessions judge. Full stop. We are sure that the respondents would do the needful for the appointment of the appellant at an early date. Full stop.